Hey, random people out there on the internet. Time for another update on the loom that I'm building. Um, Had a conversation with Winona, who the loom is for, regarding how I was going to mount the threaded bolt into it, and we discussed that at some length. And then she asked me, she said, well, how are you going to cut it? Good question. Obviously I've got to use a tool that specifically cuts metal. So let's take a look first at what I did do. If you've been watching along, you know that I cut these parts out and I routed them and did all this good stuff. In any event, these are going to be the goalposts that sit on either end of this that'll slide back and forth, and she'll use these to run her thread under it and make her loom. So the big thing that I had stressed on and needed to figure out, and I did do a quick video on how to refocus your mind. I do it with the Rubik's Cube. In any event, so how did I cut these? Well, let's take a minute and we'll go out there and take a look at my other shed where I do miscellaneous work. All right, so I'm out here in my, I call it my paint shed, staining shed, assembly shed, any number of things. What I'm going to do is show you how I cut that bolt. So I brought my rod out to the edge here, and I had a mark here about how long I wanted it. This way, with this little groove cut into it, this bolt just sits in there nice and fine, and we can just cut it right off. Don't touch that in any event. So Winona, specifically, this is how I was going to cut that rod. So I cut it to almost the right length and went back and forth into the other room and kept test fitting it and seeing just how much I needed to take it off, and kept shaving off just a little bit more and a little bit more until those rods were the right length to fit into the holder. So that's about it. Just a quick update. We'll have some more coming here pretty soon. Before we do the assembly, I need to do the finish on it. I'm still thinking about what I'm going to do for a finish. I was thinking a clear coat finish, and then maybe I'll do something a little bit different. But we're going to see all that in an upcoming video. For now, I want to say Merry Christmas, yesterday being Christmas. I hope that each of you had a wonderful holiday, and I hope that the coming year provides you with all the peace and prosperity that you can possibly stand. And as always, please be safe.